So we're looking in on one heck of a nice showing for, realistically, what, a half a bucket?
About a half a bucket.
From this place that you're digging?
It was three different, it was like three different spots. Go ahead, talk away.
What's the explanation for?
I was using the Foster pan.
Oh, yeah?
And then he got all his rough in, and then he threw it in my pan, and I panned her out.
These are big flakes.
Those are nice flakes.
You know, that's the kind of stuff that adds up on a scale.
Oh, yeah.
So is anybody filling buckets up with that stuff so that we can get, so that we can get the gold?
Yes. Oh, yeah, we're going to get a lot of gold today.
So
it's going to be a good gold day.
You guys digging in it
I'm using the Foster to do what your sluice box isn't getting.
Oh, you think your Foster is better than our sluice box?
No, I think it's just that it's got too much material to handle.
Yeah, there's about 100 buckets.
Yeah.
So you're just helping us in production.
Right.
Okay, cool. Well, I would say that is awful good. The reason being that those flakes are so large. They add up on a scale very fast.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You guys are making America great again for everyone.
There you go. Go Donald.